This garment has no collar. Margaret is not fond of mustard. Dad plants shrubs in the garden. Harry is the best artist in the class. I think that artist has a lot of talent. All the children in this parish are kind. I must set the alarm before I go to bed. I will pick a tulip from the back garden. All the small children had fun at the party. I did not spill the white wine on the pink carpet. That old lady sold jam tarts in the marketplace. Martha wore a scarf when she went to the park. I hope we get a chance to march in the parade.